Yeah, hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Dark Odin. I'm gonna play another episode of PowerWash Simulator, and we are gonna wash a fire truck today. And yeah, then the next one will be the dreaded treehouse. I really don't want to do all those rails, but we're gonna have to. I'll just have to use a lot of maybe wood cleaner or something to get some of that stuff done quick. But yeah, let's get started on this sucker. And oh my god, that's a lot to read. Yeah, good luck with that, guys. I will check out this fire truck, which is very dirty on the front. It looks like that might be. Oh my goodness, are we gonna have to buy? Can I buy the stuff now and it not count towards the? No, it is out of stock already, so I have no more. Oh, does that mean I will have none? I hope that doesn't mean I'm gonna have nothing in the next. This next one. Oh, I switched off while y'all were trying to read that. I'm sorry. It's darn. Oh, yeah. Y'all can finish reading that. How much are we getting for this job? $300. Jeez. That's just slightly more than I think the SUV. It should be more. This is probably going to be pretty tough. But, alright, y'all should have gotten that by now between the two sections I'll let y'all read. But, let's get started. Camera. Alright. Let's go. So, well, let's make sure we got our power washer. Ooh. We got the 3000 equipped. Let's get this. Pow. Looking nice now. Let's do the green nozzle first. Now that looks cool. Oh look, they put a smiley face on the side of the truck. Oh, and that looks like almost a big hamper or something. It looks like someone was throwing the mud at it or something. What is that? That's crazy looking. Oh, we're just plowing through mud, huh? So what else y'all got on here? Nothing, no other little weird writings or anything? Just that smiley face? Let's get rid of that, because that's a little creepy. I want the truck smiling at me. Alright, window done. Let's go ahead and get all of this. Oh man, we got rust. We've got rust. That's okay. We're gonna do pretty much like we did with the other one. But instead we're gonna run over this with this. We're gonna knock all the dirt off. And then we're gonna come back real fast with the other nozzle, the other one, and beat down those rust spots. That way we're not spending all our time working on the dirt parts with the good nozzle, the stronger one. Or actually, we could use the turbo nozzle and knock all of this stuff. That's what I could do. I'll knock all of this dirt off. Then we'll come back with the turbo nozzle, and we'll get the rest. Get that mirror. I don't think that mirror dinged, but I might have to get all of the little pieces of this metal. Yep, there we go. Okay, let's switch to the turbo nozzle. That's not. Yeah, that was the turbo nozzle. Alright. Or actually, this turbo nozzle might take a while. I mean, it sprays wide, but I mean, it sprays a lot of area, but it's like all over the place. So I'm leaving little speckles. You need little speckles. I can do it for the big areas. I can do that, yeah. Let's just do that. Do big areas. Knock it off. Come back with the other one. Get the little speckles. Gotta be strategic. Oh, never mind. I guess I don't have to come back with the other one. Just knock off as much of the big stuff as I can. And it'll dang over. Let's see. Ooh, a lot here. Whole lot. Let's see. Get it all around these words real good. Hopefully it's gonna go soon. Oh wait, I'm on. All of us down here. This is probably a part of it. Yep. I got that. Oh sweet, that thing. I didn't even know that was okay. Do I have to get this part of it? Looks like. Oh, this was. I didn't see that. Okay. Alright. Get that bumper nice and clean. Get all that rust off of there for you, good buddy. Alright. Let's get that inside of that tire. This is probably going to take a while. Let's try and do some of this with is this wider than the other thing? It might just be. It might just be. Huh. That actually is probably faster than the turbo. Yeah. No, it's probably faster than the turbo. We don't need the turbo to do this part. I think we can clean the tire. Yeah. Without needing the extra power. All on the bottom, because I don't think we'll need the turbo for this either. This doesn't look that bad of a rust job here. Get that tire from over here. Get that bottom. Come on. Let me get this hole. There we go. Knock the dirt off of this sucker. Let's go ahead and clean the inside of that. Okay, let's get all of this. Oh, that's not coming off. Or, hold on, I'll make it come off. There you go. Or, I should probably focus on one side at a time. But, look at these tires. There we go. Done. Jeez, it's got like mud dripping off of it. I didn't see that on the other side like that. It was kind of dark over there. I couldn't see a whole lot of mud. It's crazy. You go to a fire in a muddy field or something. Although, I mean, the sister did say that this was like, there was ash everywhere or something that came down, and that's why everything's all so dirty. A volcano erupted or something. I think that's what the lore is behind this. There we go. Didn't ding it first. I was wondering. Kinda wondering. We're almost... Ooh, I missed the spot there. Almost back around to the other side. Okay, why didn't I get this started? Oh. I should get that, yeah. May need to use some stronger stuff on this. Or, we'll just go over and get it off. There we go. There we go. We don't need no other nozzle. Just get it off of there. Get it off of there. Alright. The top part. Look at that. That. Footsteps. Follow the blueprints there, guys. Gee, clean your feet. Moving tracks everywhere. Well, these instruments are gonna get rusty. Slowly working my way up. No. Alright. I'm just trying to get it all kind of even. I didn't do any of this that high. Let's get this all higher. Oh yeah, we got this bumper. Lowering it down. Why is this not? Come on, get off there. Get off of there. Being so dirty. Oh my goodness, I missed a lot down here. Why is this? Oh, okay, I see why. This is like a ladder. Couldn't tell. Could not tell at first what that was. I just thought it was like a little shelf or something. If I can clean underneath that while I'm down here. Yeah, we're getting this. We're getting it. Oh shoot, too close. Got far too close to get that bar. It's kind of rusty. Maybe a little bit closer. Ooh, got it. Alright, sweet. Let's get all of this around it. Up and down here. Oh, I didn't get no bar thing down there. I didn't do all of this like I did on the other side. Thought I did. Alright, well that's done now. Alright. We need to clean that tire good. I need to clean these tires real good. Let's go to... Oh, this thing actually did it the best, right? So, let's get these suckers clean. Just spray and pray. That should be just about all of it. There we go. Got it. Come on, come on. Use it a little bit more of paint because it gets all on the sides there. Let me turn it this way, that way. There we go, that's better. Bam, got it. Alright, tires are done. Let's go back to this side. We did this whole front part, so let's go ahead and extend that courtesy to the rest of this part. The other one. And we're going to do this section here first, I think, all the way up. And then we'll work on the back section. Okay, that doesn't want to come clean, huh? Alrighty. Just had to spray you with a stronger nozzle, sucker. How you like them apples? Still not really coming totally clean, but better than you were. Probably need to turn it that way, there we go. Alright, how about from this angle? It's not dirty. Kinda dirty. Like little crevices. Oh, is that a ladder? That's a ladder, oh my god. This would be a pain to clean. Oh. Yeah. They're fairly wide spread from this far with this thing. I get that really good. Alright, let's do yellow and go ahead and get the rest of this. What ding? Nope, didn't ding. Alright. It's okay. We can get a ding elsewhere. We don't need no ding from that thing. See, I'm gonna check to see if we have any metal cleaner because wow. Okay. Wrong thing. Go in here. Here. Shop. Please. No, we don't. Okay, let's try all purpose again. And pray. Glass cleaner, plastic, wood. So, well, we have nothing of any of those other ones, so they're all pointless. This all purpose. Please do something to this. Oh, it is getting rid of some of it. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. Let's get rid of some of it. Yes. Okay. Alright, that's good. That's probably good. Let's use a different nozzle and try to spray some of this stuff away. Alright. Yeah, this is much easier now. This is so much easier now. Alright. Let's get all of these little instruments. Now that I don't have to spray a whole ton of stuff off of these. I'm gonna have to move around a little bit to get every bit of it because I'm not getting all sides of some of the stuff. I missed a piece there. And I'm probably missing little stuff. Oh, never mind. Sweet! That worked perfect. Let's get this in there. Kind of. Okay. Switch. To a good old to green. Let's try this one first. Alright, yeah, that's working. That's working good. Yeah, we don't have to use the other nozzle. This is good. That's going along nice and fast. Is this gonna ding the whole side? No, I guess not. Is there yellow in there maybe? Alright. All that. Yeah, that thing. We got that. Come on. There we go. Got that handle. Let's get all of this. Oh, is that door gonna hang? I'm hoping that's part of something else and I don't have to like work on that more. Am I getting it? I think I got all of that. Yeah, thought I'd miss stuff underneath there. I did not see all of this. Oh man. Thought those were done. I really hope. Is there dirt showing? There is dirt showing there. Alright. I was afraid of that. Okay. Jeez, those stairs, those things are horrible. Yes, thank you. More of this. I don't know what that is. Part to a ladder? This part to a ladder. I don't know. We're gonna clean it anyway. If it'll come clean. Alright, come on. Come on. Well, I think we found the hardest part of the truck, which is probably gonna be the back and that top. Where that ladder is. Just come clear. Alright, we are gonna do the rest of that from up there, I think. Well, we gotta get these parts that can only be done from the back. But I can get in there. Okay. Sorry I'm being so quiet, I'm just trying to concentrate on this. Getting every little piece of this, cause oh my god, there's so much. Oh, and there's a bit that got away. There's probably a bit more in there I haven't gotten, but there's some more there. Looks like some there. Alright. I think that's all we can do on the back end of this. Unless we jump up on there. Where's the little... all of this jumping? Okay. Let's get this side. We played with that long enough. This whole side. Bam. Done. And let's get this. Man, this green nozzle is just eating through this whatever mud that's on the side here. Oh, sweet. I got that. Get all. I don't know if that gas thingy was a different piece or not. I guess it wasn't. Alright. I think we got a bunch of that. Back a little more. Can I get some more of this stuff up there? Yeah. As much of that stuff clean as I can. All along the back of there. Let's get this ridge line right there, because I think that's got a good bit of rust on it. We'll knock it out ahead of time. Alright. Let's get all this, and we'll knock the dirt off of all that metal in the middle. And we'll hose that down with the red nozzle or the turbo nozzle. And get rid of it. Alright, let's get all the dirt. Whew, there's a lot of rust on that instrument. Oh yeah, we used the all-purpose soap on here last time. Alright, we're gonna do that again. Because that worked pretty good. Make sure we get all the dirt on the undersides. Alrighty. All-purpose soap. Here we go. Do your magic, baby. Come on. Am I out of it? I think I'm out of it. I think I'm ran out. Or is it still going? No, I might still have some because it's still kind of. Alright, let's switch over to the yellow. I think it was we used, and cut down the rest of this. Or maybe it was the red we used. I don't remember. We're gonna use this one now. So it's not gonna take much to probably get this to ding over with how much area we've got here. And there's not a whole lot left. Get that. Come on. You gonna ding me? You gonna force me to clean these two big hose deals sticking out? Guessing that's where the fire hoses move. I mean, it's gonna probably pretty obvious that's where the fire hoses come out. And they're all labeled, so I could probably read these and figure out what they are. Come on, ding. It's gotta, oh, what did I do? I wanted to do that, there we go. Come on. I didn't have to do this much of the, oh, I had a lot. I thought I did that side of that one. I did all of that already, yeah. Alright, let's get these, and this will be just about done. All of this stuff on this side, bam, they're done. This corner right see real good. There we go. This. I don't know if I did that bumper really good down here, did I? Yeah, I did. Alright, so that's this whole side done, I do believe. Plus the rear and the back. And we still have a good time. Alright, let's... Alright, let's start at the top and work our way down. Because this is probably going to be the easier part to clean. At least you would think it would be the easier part to clean. This is probably going to go real quick. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, these are separate. I figured that. Alrighty. That grill's probably so rusty I'm gonna have to use something to clean it. Probably more all-purpose because I have no metal cleaner. I used it insanely and sprayed it where I probably didn't need to. Alright, that's done. Let's get as much of the dirt off the grill and these lights as possible. This is really dirty too. My gosh. This got dirt in it that I'm not able to get out for some reason. Why won't you come out, dirt? I didn't see that. Why didn't I see that before? Okay. I guess this is all part of the grill and it's not just gonna come off. Maybe we can get this grill with this. Time consuming, but no, we're gonna hit this with some all-purpose. Let's knock some of the major parts down real fast. Oh wait, where's that? That the turbo? Yeah, that's the turbo. Oh, it doesn't turn. Alright, let's just get this all over the place. We'll hit it with some all-purpose. Hopefully get some of that other stuff out of it. Whoop, we got all those lights. I must have gotten that before on these because I'm not getting it now. Let's get all of these big pieces. We wound up dinging it before I even want to really ding it. Right. I think it's still an all-purpose, but let's get this all sprayed up. So that's all-purpose. I think it's. I don't think it's. I do have some left, I think. Okay, evidently it's not working, so let's go back to this. Well, that worked. It seems like there's still some yellow up there for some reason. Definitely some right there. Okay. Let's get the rim of this. Jeez, that's really on there. That is really on there. Oh, I wanted to go down, not up. I guess that's not gonna be a separate. Wait, there's a little bit down there. Well, maybe it's not a separate thing. Alright. Let's just go ahead and clean this bunker. This go. Come on. There we go, got it all off. Majority of that dirt. And then we'll spray that real good. All these little specks, hopefully it's gonna ding. Oh well, I got all the top to do, dang it. This is not gonna ding for me just doing this a little bit. There's a lot more on top that's gotta be cleaned. Did not think about that. Come on, you want a ding. You want a ding. I know you do. There you go. Alright. I think that's the whole front part. Yeah, we just gotta get up there. And, oh. You just gotta get up there and clean the top. That part up there, that's so annoying. Okay. Ladder. Where's the ladder? Here it is. Use the ladder on this track. Something written up here. Whoa. Dang it. Get up there. What's it say? Police rules, fire rules. Little rivalry with the police station. Oh, maybe they're the ones that did this. Mr. Washington, let's go. Oh, I didn't even look at the fire station. I had to clean this, probably behind me. I was too focused on cleaning this to notice my biggest nightmare job to date, the fire station. Oh, I'll be happy if I never have to do that one again. It just went on and on and on. Alright, that's why that one wasn't down. Boy, this was a rough spot to get into. Y'all really did this to me? Alright. Boy, that would have been a tough one to figure out. Oh, y'all made this hard. Y'all made this one real rough. Alright. I got it though. Whoa. Alright. We're slipping down. We're gonna slide. But we're gonna get this stuff clean. Alright, let's find that step stool. Can't run with the step stool. Can I put it up there? No. It's right here. Come on, let me get on top of the stool. Really? Oh, I guess it is just high enough for me to get that, but that's it. I need to get higher. That's as much as I can get with that. Alright. Let's get to rest, and hopefully I won't need to get that much of it, which I probably don't. I'm just trying to get everything a bit. I don't know why. Let's get the bigger parts, and then we'll do that. Alright. Let's go ahead and erase the policeman's little diss on these firefighters. Engine 14. Did I get everything? It's kind of hard to see the yellow on this too on white. It's two really light colors on one another. It's hard to see. Goodness, this is gonna be horrible. Those ladders. Oh, those ladders, man. They're gonna be the death of me. All of this. Oh, good Lord. I'm gonna be here forever cleaning ladders. Okay. Got the majority of that stuff. Let's get it all as far as I can that way. Oh, nice! That was the whole truck. I think it's just the ladders now. Sweet! Yeah, that was the whole truck. I just gotta clean the ladders. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Let's get this. Let's get this. Come on. We're gonna hose this down real good, and we're gonna try to hit this with some all-purpose cleaner. Maybe try some other ones. I don't know. We're gonna do whatever we can do to try to speed this along and get this one over, because I'm ready to start on the tree house and get that one done and see what's next. I really want to see the newer stuff. I did that the wrong way. I need it that way. Spray all of this down really good. It's dark, so we're closer. There we go. Now I'm actually getting it off. Come on. That little bit off of there. Alright, let's get that. Alright, I got it. Over there. Oh, wait. Come on, you. Get clean. Get clean. You don't want to be dirty now. You don't want to be the dirty fire truck in the station. Get that stuff off of you. Come on. It's starting to come clean. It's starting to get there. It's gonna be a pain because I'm cleaning this side of these rungs and then I'm cleaning this side of these rungs, so I'm gonna have to go over here, over there, and clean that side of them, and over there to clean. Yeah. I should have started at one end of this walk, but I'm going to kind of. But I just trying to get this stuff around me as much as I can around me. I'm just trying to comprehend and come to terms with how much I hate these rungs and how much has to be cleaned. It's getting there though. It's gonna clean. But then when I shift, oh, more of the yellow. Oh, I didn't even have to clean hardly any of it. Sweet job done. I guess they had mercy on me. Awesome. So, fire truck. We got the fire station, the fire truck. I didn't even notice our van here that we cleaned way early on. Is there any other buildings around here that we cleaned? That would be cool. Oh, I wonder if we get to clean that. That'd be awesome. The burger joint. A mall thing over there. A diner. Clean that diner and that sign. That'd be cool. But we cleaned all of this. We cleaned this tower back here. Let's see if there's anything else back here that maybe they added that we didn't clean. No, nothing else back there. There's a tower up there. Okay. Good. I'm glad we didn't have to clean that fence. But yeah, that's awesome. Alright. We got the fire station is all ready for these guys. Alright, let's see our work. And then we'll go ahead and end this episode. Still becoming clean. Look at it. The actual body, the red and this white, wasn't too bad. It was just the little bit of the metal fixtures and the bumper around the lights and stuff. The ladder was a little bit of a pain, but I mean, you've seen that. I only got the majority of the dirt. I didn't even have to get all of the rust and stuff that was on it, and it finished. But that's going to be the end of this episode. If you guys like this content, hit that like button so I'll make more. I'm probably going to finish it out anyway because I really want to get to the end of this game and beat it all the way. But yeah, new members, if you like this, if you like the content, subscribe, see more of it, hit that bell, you get notifications when I put out more videos. And yeah, you guys take it easy, be safe out there, and have fun. Laters.